Hey everyone! Welcome back to Tech Unlocked. Today, we're diving into something that powers your favorite apps, APIs. You know how Zomato shows you exactly where your delivery guy is? It's not magic, it's something even cooler. APIs, or application programming interfaces, are the unsung heroes behind the scenes, making sure your apps work seamlessly. So let's unlock the secrets of APIs and see how they make your favorite apps tick. Ever wondered how Zomato tracks your food delivery in real time? Do they have their own satellite up there? Not quite. They actually use a system called Google Maps. But here's the catch. Zomato can't directly access Google Maps data. That's where APIs come in. APIs act as a bridge, allowing Zomato to request location data from Google Maps. This way, you can see your delivery's journey without Zomato needing its own mapping system. Think of an API as a messenger that delivers data from one place to another. Zomato asks the API, "Hey, can you get me the delivery guy's location from Google Maps?" The API checks with Google Maps, and if it gets the green light, it sends the data back to Zomato. Simple, right? This messenger role is crucial for apps to communicate with each other, ensuring you get the information you need, when you need it. Ever signed up for a new app and used Sign Up with Google or Sign Up with Facebook? That's APIs at work again. Instead of the app verifying if your email is real, it asks Google or Facebook directly. This saves time and makes sure your data stays secure. By using APIs, apps can streamline the sign-up process, making it easier for you to get started without the hassle of creating new accounts. But wait, you might be thinking, can any app just grab my data? Not so fast. APIs come with security keys that ensure only authorized apps can access your data. Plus, APIs monitor the number of requests made, keeping things safe and secure. This means your personal information is protected, and only trusted apps can interact with your data, giving you peace of mind while using your favorite apps. Ever received those Telegram alerts about available vaccination slots? That's an API in action. The government's vaccine portal has an API that allows Telegram bots to check and send out real-time alerts. This integration helps keep you informed and up-to-date with important information, showcasing the power of APIs in delivering timely and relevant data directly to your devices. Heading into internships or working on projects. Knowing how to use APIs can save you a ton of time and let you create some seriously cool projects. Whether it's integrating Google Sign-In, fetching weather data, or building something entirely new, APIs are your secret weapon. They open up a world of possibilities, allowing you to enhance your projects with powerful features and functionalities. Want a step-by-step tutorial on building a project using APIs? Drop a comment below and we'll make it happen. That's all for today, folks. See you in the next video. And remember, the power of APIs is just a click away. Your feedback helps us create content that you love, so let us know what you want to see next. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech insights. Follow us on social media for updates and behind-the-scenes content. Until next time, keep exploring the world of technology and unlocking new possibilities with APIs. Stay curious and keep innovating.